Hi, I'm Trini and welcome to Purple Seashells. Today we'll be making peanut butter energy balls. The ingredients we will need are 1 cup oats, 2/3 cup peanut butter, honey, flax seeds, and a handful of chocolate chips. Okay, let's put in our oats and put in the 2/3 cup of peanut butter. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon flax seeds and a handful of chocolate chips. Let's mix our ingredients together. So now let's add in 1 tablespoon of honey and give it a good mix. If you feel the batter is sticky, go ahead and add 1 more tablespoon of flax seeds. So this is how it's supposed to look like when it's all done. Roll the batter into ball shape. Put it in the fridge for 10 minutes. I hope you try this peanut butter energy balls. I hope you like this video. Bye! Thank you. Please subscribe to Purple Seashells.